Introducing the all-new 2025 Volvo XC90 T8 AWD plug-in hybrid Alt in sleek black. This MPV features a powerful 2-litre engine, combining petrol and plug-in hybrid electric technology for optimal performance. Enjoy a luxurious driving experience with air conditioning, ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and more. Stay safe on the road with advanced security features like the 360 view camera, collision avoidance braking, and multiple airbags. This Volvo XC90 has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, servicing to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Contact us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information and to schedule your test drive. Drive in style and comfort with the 2025 Volvo XC90 T8 AWD plug-in hybrid Alt.